Hi, welcome back to Importo Cup channel where stock is always boring. My name is KBH. Today guys, I'm gonna feature one of our latest builds. It's a Lamborghini Huracan Evo. I'll show you guys all the mods that I did to this car. Let's check it out. I'll start it off by showing you these ANRKY wheels. This is a three-piece design. Inner lip, outer lip, then the centers. Finished in brushed aluminum for the centers. Then I color matched the center ring to the ceramic brakes. Also, the text fill is in green. Very subtle color combination, but it looks so nice. We lowered the car through a Novitec suspension. Yeah, this is not super low, but low enough to have a really good stance. It's wrapped also in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, measuring 245, 30, 20. So 21 inch at the back, wider combination. Next up, we have the front end. This car is equipped with the 1016 Industries carbon fiber program. The carbon fiber hood is from them. We left this forged carbon exposed while we painted this in body color. Then the front spoiler, we changed it to 1016 forged carbon as well. The design is more aggressive, especially with the aero fins there. So this is all carbon fiber, but we left the vents in forged carbon while we did the body color for this area. So this car is equipped with the 1016 forged carbon side skirt as well. Then 1016 Industries forged carbon rear diffusers. This is sporting a 1016 carbon fiber wing. Then we left the base of the wing exposed carbon. This car is equipped with the RYFT titanium exhaust system. I don't know if you can see it, but it's turning blue right now. Maybe in the B-roll we can show it to you guys. And this has an ArcoVia Lamborghini exhaust tips. Don't mind it because we're gonna change it up to a RYFT exhaust tips. It's coming from the States right now and we still don't have it. Funny story is that the owner has a Corvette C8 and it has a RYFT titanium exhaust system as well. He told me that his C8 sounds way louder than his Lamborghini. Doesn't make sense. So he told me to remove the Acras on the car and change it up to make it louder. So yeah, after the exhaust swap, I can honestly tell you that this sounds way louder and way better. Okay guys, we're inside the Lamborghini Huracan Evo. We've shot so many Huracans in our channel, and this is another one of our creations. I'll let you guys hear how the RYFT titanium exhaust sounds in 3, 2, 1. I hope the mic picks up how good this car sounds. So we're in Corsa mode. This is the most aggressive mode that you can do on a Huracan. It has backfires, it's the fastest throttle response, and I always drive Huracans in this mode. Okay, one more pull. Okay. So we didn't do anything with the engine mods. We We didn't put any superchargers or twin turbo systems or even a tune. This has mainly an exhaust system installed. The owner's considering to do forced induction maybe sometime this year, but for now, he kept it all stock. We just installed these bunch of bolt-on parts. So that's it for this Lamborghini Huracan Evo. Comment in the comment section, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.